Hello everyone, in front of me is HOTWAV W11 and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. First open the settings, then find and select passwords and accounts, select Add account and choose Google. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and now provide your email address or phone number. And mark Next. Here provide the password, just let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on Next. You can turn on backup right now if you want to. Tap on Agree if you do agree with all Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. More, accept, and that's it. As you can see, Google account is added. Whenever you want to remove it, just mark it and select remove account. Confirm it by tapping on remove account. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.